Hi, good morning, everyone. How are you? Today, I'm going to share you my learning. So I'm creating a habit of sharing daily learnings to you, to my dearest friends. And this is my first video. And let me share I have pre-created a small presentation. Let me share with you. Okay. So today's topic is know yourself. So today I'm going to ask you a couple of questions will help you to know about yourself. These questions are based on primitive thinkings, and Mr. Elon Musk also using this primitive thinkings when uh, he do some things like creating new ideas. So he work on this principle, primitive thinkings. So in this, you need to ask your question to yourself. Then ask your belief system uh, some questions like uh, something you want to do and you do not, you think or you believe that you cannot do it, right? So ask why you think you cannot do it. What is limiting you? Okay. So this is called primitive thinkings. And I have compiled a couple of questions. So let's go through it one by one. Ask yourself these questions to know yourself better. First question, why do you, why you are doing what you are doing? Why you are doing what you are doing? So we do things which is told by someone. Okay. Your boss told to do something, your family member you told you to do some things. So we generally most of the time do things which is told by someone. Okay. And have you asked this question, why you are doing that is being told, or whatever you doing? Have you asked this question or ask yourself a question, why you are doing this, what you are doing? And if you're able to answer this question correctly from your inner self, which is really matter for you, okay, then you will understand the things which you are doing is not meant for yourself. So you need to start doing things which really matter for you. That is why we need to ask this question, why you are doing what you are doing. Okay. So by this you will able to identify the things which you really want to do in your life by answering this why question. By moving to second question, so how are you going to be different than all the others in the same field? You see that suppose you are successfully able to answer the why question, then you need by that why you maybe identify your field in which you want to work, right? So there are many people who are working in that field. So you need to identify how are you going to be different than other peoples which are then in same field. Maybe these are the people who are doing things which is told by someone to do this thing, but they are not meant for them. So once you identify that you are the one who is going to work on that field, then you can create a phenomenal results. So suppose for example, if you pick an IT software consultancy services company, and you can see there are various companies which provide consultancy services, right? So how you are unique from them, what processes, what offering you makes which make you different. Okay. So identify those which can differentiate you and make you unique in the field, which is come from your why. Okay. And then the third question is who do you want to serve and what problems are you going to solve from them or them? So you need to identify, you need to answer this question, who you want to really serve. Okay. And what are the problems you're going to solve them? So put your thoughts and list down various things which you want, the people or businesses you want to serve. Okay. And then you need, it may come up with long list, but what you can do is you can give priority to each of the list items which is which world need right now. Okay. There are some things which world don't need. Okay. But there are some pressing need the world want right now. So identify that and act upon that. And this will make you very clear. These question will make you give clarity to you. And last, this is not an end, this is a new beginning. So start now and act now. Okay. Thanks you, and reach me if you want to speak on this topic with me, and I'm ready to discuss, and we can have a discussion, and we can get the clarity of things. We can sit together and have an clarity on these questions. Okay, thanks. Put your comments. Bye.